Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can insert a picture or image in your Microsoft Word document. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So to insert an image on Microsoft Word, it's actually so easy. Let me show you how. So for the first step to insert an image, I want you to go to Insert tab. And once you're on the Insert tab, next, I want you to go look for the Pictures option. Now once you've seen the Pictures option, just go and click it. And then select this device. Then after that, you will be directed to your file manager, so just go to the location of the image that you want to insert on your Word document. And then just select the image that you want to insert. And after selecting the image, you can now click the Insert button to completely insert the image to your document. And after that, the image will now be added to your document. You can now format it by resizing or moving it however you want. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully added your image to your Word document. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.